The introduction of a new innovation visa by the Australian government is a big step in raising the caliber of Australia's skilled migrant population. This visa is meant to attract highly trained individuals and will replace the controversial Investor Migrant program, which has come under fire for providing little economic benefits. The challenges faced in the wake of the pandemic are being addressed by redesigning Australia's immigration system. The Australian government plans to replace the current Global Talent Visa program with the new National Innovation Visa, in accordance with announcements about immigration to Australia. Many businesses, including tourism, can profit from this program as talented individuals bring their knowledge and creativity to Australia. This talent inflow might specifically benefit the travel sector by advancing travel technologies and providing better services. Details of the new National Innovation Visa. The new National Innovation Visa, which will commence in late 2024, will cover researchers, large investors, and high-achieving businesses in 3 streams, with the goal of giving most migrants a permanent pathway. The Business Innovation and Investment Visa was a 2-stage process. However, the new visa is very different. It would probably need a more thorough evaluation of the applicant and their capacity to contribute to Australia than the prior visa, because it is a direct pathway to permanent residence. Since the monitoring and cancellation clauses were a part of the previous direct permanent visa, we could also see their introduction. The applicant must provide proof that they have been actively operating a qualified business, which must be of a certain type, such as creating or sustaining employment in Australia or exporting from Australia. Prospective Global Talent Visa Applicants. Additionally, the National Innovation Visa is meant to take the role of the current Global Talent Visa program. Overseeing the transition to the new National Innovation Visa is something the Australian government plans to do to ensure that applicants, including those who now hold a Global Talent Visa, are supported throughout the application process. As new visa applications will be assessed based on the eligibility standards at the time of application, the change will not affect current Global Talent Visa applicants. An expression of interest must be submitted before a Global Talent Visa application is submitted under the Global Talent Independent route, a priority variant of the Global Talent Visa. It is probable that new applicants filing an EOI will simply receive a response suggesting whether to file for the visa application, even though the government has said that applicants will be evaluated against the criteria at the time of their application. Existing business and investor applicants. The migration plan includes references to the Migration Review, which claimed that a large portion of the program, most notably the business innovation stream, had net negative financial consequences, and it verified the Australian government's lack of interest in the present BIP. The visa applications that have been submitted will be processed in accordance with the planning levels of the migration program and the priorities of the Australian government. To guarantee that every business immigrant entering Australia under this program has a viable business career and will help Australia economically, BIP policy guidelines will be strengthened. The government will nevertheless handle applications in line with the statutory criteria in force at the time the application was filed, even though the policy that controls how the legislation is understood and enforced will be tightened. Also, more applications will be rejected as a result of failing to meet the stricter policy standards. Refund of visa application fees. Furthermore, in the event that applicants choose not to have their BIP applications completed, the government has announced that they would be reimbursed for their visa application fees. Refunds for applications that have been halted might be difficult to get, as applicants need to submit a copy of the bank statement that shows the initial cost was paid, and if this is not accessible, they will not be able to receive their refund. The National Innovation Visa and the changes to the BIP visa category signify a dramatic change in Australia's strategy for drawing in business immigrants and outstanding talent. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck!